Tu as reçu mon mail? If you have worked in France, you have probably heard this strange sentence. It translates literally as, have you received my mail? Except, well, as you know, nowadays we rarely mail our colleagues. We email them, don't we? So, why French people are using the word mail? So, to be clear from the beginning, the translation of the English word email into French is courriel. When you look up the definition of courriel in the Larousse French dictionary, this is the answer that comes up. Courriel, nom masculin, abréviation de courrier électronique. So, courriel is short for courrier électronique. Just like in English, email is short for electronic mail. Now, when a French person says, Tu as reçu mon mail? They are basically using the English word, email, but they are also using it incorrectly. If they wanted to fully borrow the word email, French speakers should say, Tu as reçu mon email? But in practice, they tend to omit the E for electronic and use the word mail. So here is what the Office québécois de la langue française has to say on this common French practice. Les emprunts intégraux email et mail sont déconseillés puisqu'ils s'intègrent mal au système de langue et qui concurrencent des termes français déjà bien formés et déjà implantés dans l'usage. So this means that it is not recommended to use the English words, either email or mail, in the French language, because they do not blend well within the language and they compete with already established words, such as courriel or courrier électronique. So, what should you use then? Well, it really depends on the context. From what I have observed at work, in the Canadian French-speaking context, I have seen that professionals tend to use more the word courriel, which is the correct term as accepted by institutions. And it is in line with what the Office québécois de la langue française recommends. But now, in France, in theory, the accepted official word is also courriel. But in practice, people still tend to use the English words, either email or mail. Tu as reçu mon mail? Tu as reçu mon email? This is what you would hear in France. So if you work in France or with French colleagues, you might want to follow that workplace culture and do that as well. If you do, you might want to privilege using the word email, meaning the accurate English word, as opposed to the word mail, which is the abbreviated English word, which actually means something else since it refers to physical letter. In the end, it's really up to you, but at least now you are aware of the cultural differences regarding the terminology. If you liked this video and if it helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it in your network. Tell me in the comments. Do you work in French? And if so, what word do you commonly use? Email, mail, ou courriel? I'm Fanny, founder of French Ready, a channel for professionals who want to improve their French to unlock their career. Merci et à bientôt sur French Ready!